Yun yung secret ko sa pagpapaputi ng ngipin. Hello guys! May secret kung paano ko napaputi yung ngipin ko in just 5 days. Tuturo ko sa inyo paano paggawa ng paste niya. Okay. Ayaw. Ow! So, mapon. Pagalitan ako dito sa bahay. Anyway. So, nasa sa inyo kung gaano kadaming baking soda ang gagamitin nyo. But this one, siguro mga ginalagay ko dito mga almost 2 tablespoon ng baking soda. Equal part ng hydrogen peroxide, yung baking soda. Itong baking soda, maalat. Itong hydrogen peroxide, medyo mapakla na medyo maasim. So, pag kinumbine mo, nasa inyo anong kanya-kanya tayong panlasa. Anyway, gagawa ko ng paste. I'm gonna make a paste out of baking soda and equal parts of your hydrogen peroxide. So I have to mix them well. Ipa. Basta makagawa ka ng paste. So kasing lapot lang din ng toothpaste. Ganun lang din yun. Now, ganito na siya nung nahalo ko. So it's like a paste. So, dapat ganyan ang consistency niya. Focus ko pa ng konti, Focus ko pa. So, ganyan siya. So, para siyang paste. Para din siyang toothpaste. Ganyan dapat ang consistency nung nagawa ninyong mixture ng baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. So, pupunta tayo sa banyo ngayon. Kukuha ko doon ng toothpaste. Doon ako magto-toothbrush. Paghahaluin ko yung toothpaste dito sa gawa kong paste mixture para hindi masamaan lasa. Nandito ako ngayon sa kitchen namin. So, eto na yung paste ng baking soda and ng hydrogen peroxide. Lalagyan ko ng toothpaste. So, paghahaluin ko lang to. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, itong mixture na to, ito yung patu-toothbrush ko. Toothbrush. And this one.
Okay, everybody, it's time to brush your teeth. Go get your toothbrush. Brush, brushy, brush, brushy, brush, brush. Brush, brushy, brush, brushy, brush, brush. Brushy, brush, the left and down. Brush, brushy, brush. Brushy, brush, the round and round. Brush, brushy, brush. To keep teeth happy is the truth. Brush, brushy, brush. You gotta brush each and every tooth. Brush, brushy, brush. The teeth in the front get a lot of care. Brush, brushy, brush. But don't forget the ones back there. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right. Brush, brushy, brush, brush, brush your teeth. Every day and every night. Brush, brushy, brush, brush, brush. Now your toothpaste may taste good. Brush, brushy, brush. When you got it in your mouth. Brush, brushy, brush. But you should never swallow it. Brush, brushy, brush. You grab and spit it out. Go on and spit. We'll wait for it. Brush your teeth. Keep them looking clean and right.
2 minutes lang kayong magto-toothbrush nung paste na yon. because medyo masakit sa gilagid. And the more na ginagamit nyo yung baking soda, numinipis yung ngipin, nagiging more sensitive. Once na naging sensitive yung ngipin ninyo, it means na yung enamel, yung ngipin, manipis na. So, I'm gonna show you. Pero, hanap tayo ng good lighting para mas makita nyo palalo yung difference. Yan. Yun yung secret ko sa pagpapaputi ng ngipin. Mga 1 to 2 weeks nyong gawin is effective. And basta, ang may papayo ko lang, make a research of your own. Research nyo sa YouTube, yung mga testimonies ng iba. I assure you, puputing ngipin nyo. So, I'll see you again in my next vlog. And good night. Bye.